Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be unboxing and testing out this Lifmocer GS300. Is on a 3000 ampere jump starter, and it can jump start up to 10-liter gas engines and 8-liter diesel engines. So they're actually claiming this to be pretty powerful, and it's also pretty like once we start comparing it with the price point, it's actually pretty good. And on Amazon, you can actually buy this right now for 63 bucks on sale. Usually it's 99 bucks, but still the price point of this is just really good, because if you want something like in a good high brand like Noco, we're looking at around 300s. So we do have a really nice case in here, and the case comes open like this. And also it does has all of the built-in safety features. You do have, if you accidentally put it in the wrong terminal, overcurrent protection, all of that kind of stuff. So here you go, it opens up like this, and this is our jump starter itself on this side. Overall, the build quality is surprisingly pretty good, and we do have the protective film on the top. Let's look at all of the other accessories that we get. We do have an owner's manual on the side, a USB-A to USB-C for charging, and of course we do have our connectors. So one thing which I really don't like about these connectors are the way they work, because in other high-end models like the Noco and stuff like that, they actually have a built-in kind of the load and bearing. So with that, all I do is just plug in these cables from here. We don't have that entire thing sticking out. For me, it's just kind of a risk, because if like something hits or something, it may break off. And then on this side, we do have two USB-A outputs and a USB-C, which also acts as an input. And on this side is where we actually plug in to jumpstart your car. Let's power this on. It's currently at 80% power. Should be enough, but this can actually do on a single charge jump start 25 times. And the other thing I really wish is just my personal preference. Instead of adding this over here, they could have added on this side, because let's say you're in the dark, you want to jumpstart your car, you actually want the light to be facing in the direction where you're going to hook this up to the battery, so that way it's more easier to work with. Okay, we're going to be testing this out on this 2012 Chevy Captiva Sport, and as you can see, this is completely dead battery in there, so has no power at all. Okay, so this turns green, so it means we're good to start the vehicle. Here you go now. Let's start this up. There you go, starts up so smoothly and well, and this does has a 3-liter V6 in here. So I will highly recommend this to everyone, because first of all, the price point is really good, really well priced, and then over that we do have all of the built-in safety features, so even if these two touch together, it wouldn't cause anything. As you can see, I'm literally touching both of them together. We do have all the built-in safety features. Over that, it is really powerful. We do have 3000 amps, so that is super powerful. And then most of these vehicles, even that Ram over there, only requires around 900 amps to actually start. So the link will be down below. Please do go check it out.